ADP Mobile Login. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create Login and Delete. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to log in to ADP. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open ADP mobile application on your device. You will be led to the login portal of ADP. So, go ahead and enter your user ID in the user ID text box. If you want your device to remember the user ID, then tap on the Save My User ID checkbox and tap on Next. Also, if you have forgotten your user ID, then tap on the Forgot User ID option and recover your user ID. I will tap on Next. You will now be asked to enter your password, so go ahead and enter your password and tap on the Sign In button, and with this you will be successfully logged in to ADP. Also, if you have forgotten your password, then you can tap on the Forgot or Reset Password option and recover your password. You can also enable Face ID for login if you want by following the on-screen prompts. So, this is how you can log in to ADP Mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.